Kanigada Dudashan Meghalaya, but Nipiang so by people or Shakatukwam Takajan Mit, Shaman Pajki Kubar Kibabnya, in a pitch Kimat Kongsan. I Jingmut Umentri Rangba, Yaki VIP, Bankiar Nakajimpudan Kam Baklai Kihok, Banjur Halor Kajingan Kam, Banyabiang Rang Deng Kajinkutina, Yakajin Shong Shingai, Jongpi, Bataburam. Dang up ke Sorkar, ia kejing menjur, nak ke Sorkar Pedeng, ban sedang biang ia kejing ti Doyong ong Menteri Rangba. An penhe ia kakat Lim Sun Shillong, ban pediang syu ia Lim Sun Kamai. But penlong the College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Umyam yak National Conference paasmi bantintiu yak rep kriang. Ki kubar ki babnya. Hapadeng ki jingkun tho ki balami persha halor ka jinglong jingman ki he ki han ne ka VIP culture hapo ka jilla. Menteri Rangba ka jilla u Konrad ke sangma hinin ka sngi ula ai jingmut ya ki he ki han ban kiar na ka jingpidon kam bakla ya ki hok jongki. Ula banjur halor ka jingdon kam na ka benta ka jingya biang lang hapadeng ka jingpin tekna ya ka jing shngan jongki kumju ban buram ya ka jingbit jingbiang jongki padba. Menteri Rangba ula yathu ba ka sarkar kadang khmi binya ha ka bayadei bat ka jingpidon kam ya ki siren ka jingpin thaba ya ki jingpin me basai lembat ki weki benta ki bayadei bat ka jing shngan jongki he ki han ka sarkar kala batha ya ka tanat pulit man khmi binya halor ka ni ka benta kumju ban IT ya ka kai phot shaki kunhun ka menteri
not reviewing but regulating rather reviewing and regulating the usage of siren and the flickering lights and other mechanisms of security and safety that is there. We have asked the police department to review this entire thing and present to the cabinet complete, a new complete format for this, which is under process.
Barok menta kasyong saha ka Ministry of Coal jong ka sarkar pedeng na ka benta ka jing menjur bakhadu man sedang biang ya ka kamti Doyong hapo ka jela kat kum ki juk start sayen. Menteri Rangba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma habakren halor ka ni ka benta ula ong ba ya ki jing pensngo pajba la penlong hakini ki kendiat benai baladep halai teli ki jaka kum shi benta jong ka kam ban sedang biang ya ka kamti Doyong kat kum ki juk start sayen. Usangma ula ong ru bahadien kini ki jing pensengau pajba ya ki jing lum thup jong ki kot kisla lakmi bnya da katanat klau bat ka pollution control board menta kini ki lapoi shaka Ministry of Coal New Delhi na ka benta ka jing ai jing bet bakhado.
So the public hearing for the scientific coal mining in 3 locations took place about 2 months back. And after that, the file has gone back to the forest and the pollution board, and necessary clearances have been given now from the environment department, forest and environment department, and pollution board. And now the files have reached Delhi. The coal ministry in Delhi is now going to give the final. After seeing all the approvals that have been given by the different departments of the central government, the different departments of the state government, now the final approval and the stamp is given by the coal ministry.
Ka sarkar jilla ka khot biang sashisin ya ka Trap National Liberation Council lani ka HNLC banishim benta ha ka jing yakren yasuk watla ki jing persang ki bahaswa ki la thutno halor ki jing dawa jong ka kunhun na benta ka jing map ya ki nong yalam bat ki khot jangka. Menteri Rangba ka jilla u Konrad ke sangma hinen ka sngi ula ban biang ya ka kular jong ka sarkar jilla banyarap hakal yang ka jing yakren da ka babanjur halor ka jing don kam ban khmi binya ya ki jing e bat wat ya ka linti ban poi sya ka jing ya bet hapo ka sandur jong ka riti senshar halor ka jing dawa ka seng bayadei bat ka jing map Menteri Rangba ula penshai bakarai ka syong bat ka sarkar pedeng bat bat ka jilla.
All these issues are addressed, and whatever concerns are there from their side, we need to sit down and discuss, and within the constitutional framework, within the discussions with MHA and Government of India and state government and with the organization, we should move forward. So that is what our appeal is, we would want to once again, give the message that that we are ready to discuss, and let us come to the table again to talk. And whatever concerns are there, the best way to resolve those concerns is through dialogue.
Kasorka jilla kayang scam banya chakmat bat ki project shna jingshna bahe hakaleng ka jilla mentau snem kabakdo ya ka jingwan jong ka jingkala hakaliang ka roi kapar bat kilat penyaso umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulaong ba ka sarkar kabat lakakular ban penhe ya ka kat lingsun Shillong khanang ban pediang shu ya ki lingsun kamai kumba kalong kandon ka jingalang kabala penbet bat ka sarkar pedeng ha New Delhi ban penstet ha ka bayadei bat kanika Ulaong basisin baki lingsun ki bahe ki sedang banwan hiar hakane kakat lingsun kan sawan ra jingkelashi kadai ya ka jela nakaliang ka sarkar kadang ya chakmat ha ka banwan ra ya ka lingsun hapdeng ka Shillong batura hapo ka jong ka skim uran.
When it comes to the airport, I'm very, very particular that the flights as fast as possible, the commercial flights should land in Umroi. Government of India is giving full support for this. I hope very soon direct commercial flights will land from Delhi and other places, and I believe that is going to be one of the biggest game changers for our state, especially when it comes to sectors like tourism and even education and overall growth of our state.
Umentri Rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma unsaya kendu ya umentri Rangba ka Assam uhimanta Biswa Sarma hadin ke election Shaki District Council banyakren halor ka jingpen bet put ka bampat la ban penbet hapdang kini ki ar jela haki hinriu teli ki jaka badangsa usang ma ulaong ba ulaya kren bat usarma ubala kerpat ya u ban penbet ya kitarik nakabenta ka jingalang hadin ke election ulapan pau ka jingkermen ba ki jingakren hadin ke election kinya chakman kumbala thmu hakaban penbet ya kimat badangsa bante halor ka nongrim kabalabu haka jingakren bahashwa.
We had decided that we will meet after these elections, so the elections were now over. So we are scheduled to actually meet very soon. So yes, good question. We will be scheduled. In fact, I had a talk just yesterday with Ms. Hemanta Biswa Sarma on some other issues. We were discussing about some other aspects. So we had mentioned this point about the meeting that's quite overdue. So he has asked me to suggest the dates. We hope that we'll be able to meet soon.
At boarding ke jela kala pentrai kam shat ya ki pabuun ki jingkala ban kentiu ya ka jing shanya but ya ka jing trekam jong ka jing penbiang boarding hakaleng ke jela u commissioner but secretary katanat boarding u Sanjay Goyal ula ong ba katanat kala pelet jingmut ban penbha ya ki jing shna ba kentup ya ka jingwan ra ya ki wayar basop ne covered conductor cabling kajing pendaj ya ki transformer bethamai bat kajing penbha ya ki signer boarding ki beladon lupa kajing penterekam ya ka covered conductor cabling ha ki benta jong ka sor Shillong kan kentiu shi kat dei ya ka jing ne slam bat jing shngan ha ka baya dei bat ka rukom sam.
Only these maintenance are done in the season wherein the least disruptions are there, and it's a very routine kind of thing, and plus some other works we are undertaking up to upgrade our systems in terms of upgrading the capacity of the lines, installation of new lines, and other activities.
Kajela Meghalaya kaya kendu ya kijing ki kabajur bha ha kabayadei bat kajing pep school shiteng por kabala kiu stat bha katanat puli puthi kala shim ya ki babun kijing penkala ban weng ya kani kajing na pedang kisin jam bakong san kalong ban pen ke imbiang ya ki residential schools bam shim la trai kamshu bat ban seng ya ki school bethamai jong ka Eklavya model residential schools la ne ki EMRS ki bala khmi lenti banwan ra ya ki jingkala kat kum ka kai pot jong ka SDG index jong usnam aja apply arpusau ke jela Meghalaya kadai ka babun tam ki ba pep school shiteng por ha ka secondary level ka balong hadu arpaway ponyo na ka shispa but uswapnil timbe u director of school education and literacy and state project director Semen ula penpau ya ke jingduna kalat bandai syaki skul kum kawei na kidaw bakongsan jong ka jingkiu stat ki ba pep skul shtengpor ban weng ya kani katanat kala pelet jingmut ban pin ke imbiang ya ki residential school ki ba klem tre kam shu menchwa bat kala thau ya ka seng ban pe halor kani ka jingthmu.
There are 9,000 LP schools. Out of the 14,000 schools in a small state like Meghalaya, 9,000 are LP. If you combine with UP, like 12,000 are elementary schools. Only 1,000 are secondary schools, and only 400 and around 20 are higher secondary schools. So you can see the first problem is access. So for that, we are trying to revive many residential schools which were made earlier but not functional. So we have made a society to look into that. We are also happy to share that the state has received approval for 38 EMRS, which are the Eklavya model residential schools. So those will be a game changer because those are like class 6 to class 12 residential models like JNV. So if they are started in all the blocks, all the children can go there. So that is a big step.
Kadorba jong ki wa he ko ri jaintia kalaya kendu ya UCEM ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council uthombor shiwat hinin kasngi banya kren halor kimat ki bidang sa ateng ha kani ka jingya kendu UCEM ula pentikna ya kadorbar ba an sa penmi ya ka executive order hapo ka khendiat sngi ban ithu ya barok ki kur kinongkit kam bat ki kli jong ka sengkur ki bahap hapo jong ka JHADC ha ka jinglam khaman jong u president u kru el pariat but Vice President uba perkat Shilla kani ke kenhun bakentup ya kinong mi kmat kenthe kila banjur halor ke jingdon kam jong kani kamat ha ka kerwo syakilat pathai khubor uba pariat ula penpau ya ke jing snow diau halor ke jingbam ai jubab jong ka JHADC nadu usnam arja arpoar UCEM ka JHADC ula kubur ya ke jingdon kam kerki jong kani kamat bat pentikna baka council kadang yai tre halor kani kamat. Ka College jong ka Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Umyam kabadon hapo jong ka Central Agricultural University Imphal kalapenlong ya ka National Conference ka baas ni lenter halor kamat enhancing agricultural growth with special reference to Northeast India, synergizing industry and scientific innovations for demand drive crop improvement ha CPGS AS campus ha umyam mentakasngi ya kani ka jingelang la penlong haringkat ka jingetrelang bat ka ICAR ka North Eastern Council ka Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare bat ka Nabat ka Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo ka Menteri ka Rep Karyang kala long ka Kongsan bat ha ka jing ai jing kran jong ka kala penpau halor ka thong ban pinkiu arsha ya ka yo ka kot kinong rep bat ban kentiu ya ki kam jong ki lingba ki rukom rep ba khlem pendon kam dawai bat kiwe ki jing no sinyang ki bedon kam ha ka ni ka benta.
This department, these two departments are working coordinatedly with the state government to ensure that we are able to address pesticides, plant protection, biodiversity, climatic commitments to ensure that Meghalaya stands nothing but first in our interventions, in our interests, to at one time improve the farmer's life, but also protecting all the necessary conditions to make our farming practices holistic.
Ka Ribhoy Superstar Season 2 ka jingya ko penisap na ka benta ki samla jong ka Ribhoy District kala kunno hinin kasngi ha umsning Hall Auditorium na pedang ki khatsan ngot ki balapoi syaka kala khaddu isamla khushi thongni inong rai badon sap ila long inong job ha ka ba ila yo ya ka khusnam pisa ka ba apusan hajar tingka haringkat ka trophy ha kani ka sngi penha perda laya don lang uba Jason S Maulong ubalong u MLA berim jong ka umsning usami ranjam ubade u head of production program and production ka Prague News but ipa im kintiu simle sim ka himanong spung ha kani ka sngi la ai jingker shan ru da uba Lancius imle CEO ka LS imle production. Mentang ini pek ya ka Shillong Jingman ka sun beneng hatura. Ka jing kriat kalong kan riu degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong arpulai degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau kalong nyo puprana ka shispa. Kat bahanong ba Shillong ka jing kriat kalong 100.4 degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong 4.0 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau kalong san pun riu na ka shispa. Bat hajo waipat ka jing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau kalong 100 kandai na ka shispa. Kasun benengkan rang hatura bat hajawai kat bahanong ba Shillong pat kala bantuan kajing hapslap bat kajing dum luo kendau ka pemulumala hakikat tu kan nikijaka. Syaban poi syak bakut jang katup kubor ngini pit biasa isin yakimat pekongsan. Ai jing mut umentri rang ba ya ka VIP ban hial na kijing penon kam bakla ya ki hok banjur halor kajing don kam ban ya biang lang hapdeng kajing pitikna ya kajing shngan bat ya ka burong. Dang ap ka sarkar ya kajing menjur na ka sarkar pedeng man sedang biang ya kajing ti doyong ong umentri rangba. An penhe ya kekat ling sun Shillong ban pediang shu ya ki ling sun kamai. Bat penlong ke College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences umyam ya ke National Conference ba arsni ban kentiu ya karep karyang. Teparlok katungila poi syaka bakut jang katup kuboj ngim ta kajanmir hadu Malaysia biang mat pila syai kesni kubli pi baro.
जो एक संकल्प लिया है